Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? Welcome to this Christmas Day. We're back. It's the 25th of December. Guess what I got? I got it from the stockings. Got some lovely Christmas presents. So, especially Mum's going to take the dog for a walk. So I might be doing opening presents myself. So hopefully we'll do that. And also turn the music down for the video. Well, like this YouTube video kind of stuff. Yeah. Make sure right now I just want to turn the TV on right now. Here we are, right here. I will let you open the Christmas present together. So hopefully we'll do that at the moment. So hopefully do a couple of 3 parts again, or like last year. And now watching the snowman, watching the snowman, you know. And some of the Christmas listen as well, especially the White Christmas. That starts right now.
The voice of the weakest link as well.
Wow, cool. Britain's favourite Christmas songs. Okay. Let me open right now. Here we are. Time to open this bad boys right now. First Christmas present, which is coming up right. We'll be opening right now. Huh. Ooh. Here we are. Right now, first Christmas present. There's a Tottenham scarf wear on your neck in the cold. When it's very cold, we'll wear this scarf. Brilliant scarf. Over here. Yeah. It's 11 in the morning. I've got up at 11 when Mum got dressed. So Mum got dressed. I'm still watching the snowman during opening Christmas presents. So hopefully I'll get dressed, wear a Christmas jumper or sweatshirt when Nana and Tom, Max, Auntie Claire arrived. So when Mum come back from this one, well, after I got back from the shower, Mum will be back. So hopefully we'll do that. Nice one. The Little Book of Eurovision. The glitz, the hits, and the Russians' grannies. This is a book right here. If you don't know what the Russian grannies are, they're from the 2008 or 7 Eurovision back in the day, which is especially with the Ukraine, this one, with the 10 on the head. But like it reminds me of the Ukraine version of Teletubbies. This reminds me of it. You know, that is what it is. Ugh. Yeah. Here we are. What's open door? It's like a object. Wait till you see this. It's another new flask with a new Tottenham bottle flask as well. This is a new Tottenham bottle flask, but it's going to be cool. Love it. here. Wow. Yeah, so this is getting feisty right now. Getting feisty for Christmas. Well, things getting feisty right now. As you can see, all budget Christmas presents coming on the floor. It is going up as well. And next one, possibly, will be up, down. It'll be under that, under this one. We'll get last four stockings after this. So hopefully we'll get this one here. So hopefully we'll do it in other parts. This could be an amazing Christmas present, as you know. As you know. So I was just going to do it in Orenbarken because Schnitzer's mum's at the moment. So while mum's at taking 2 dogs for the walk, hopefully I'll do my stocking himself. With after I've got open the presents, I'll hop in the shower, brush my hair. Here we are. Careful. Chocolate coins. Chocolate coins, solid white chocolate right here. And the last one, it's the have a holly jolly Jaffa Christmas. They've got a jungle of Jaffa cakes. Wow, can't believe I've got a Jaffa cakes right there. Can I have a Jaffa cake? I'll hold it there. I have a bunch of Jaffa cakes right there in this tub. This tub of this one. Have a holly jolly Jaffa Christmas. Definitely love it as well, as you can see. I love it. So that's all the stockings. So now I'm gonna open downstairs. So that'll be amazing. So I will open the presents in the next video. While doing that, I'll listen to walking here. But in the meantime, when I finish the first part, I'll open the last bit of the stockings I saw. And there's the brand new Tottenham wallet. Yeah. That will be replaced from the Museum of London bit to the new one. So I hope you'll do that. So definitely we'll sort this one out and definitely we'll do that as well. So that is as many Christmas presents, especially the Eurovision part. That one. I love it. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next part. I'll go downstairs, open up a Christmas present. So hopefully you'll do that as well. See you next one. See you next one, guys. See you in the second part. Take care. Goodbye.